enkra mu okrom ha ye di omabro mabunu empanyifo abro ene ye di omunyini no omahu se hope bia ni ho enidaso ni ho adwuma ni ho omko university na omu wi a omawie no na government enhyehyɛ bibia nto ho ma omko banka student loan ni ho ekro no enhyehyɛ bibia ma omu
ye fa bibi enidaso ewiase oni enidaso ano asam ye mobbo ene ye o mamu a the youth has no say. We don't have a say. Yeni kasamafo. The reason why people are following each other here and there is because they've seen vision in him. Vision about what he can do. Na ye wo memo sebe akola kasa ye se shut up. Ye customs and tradition kra e bogo se phone. Ye wo memo penny ejimi kra na ye hwe ni din because we know say penny is always right. Kwa boche kwa akola kitikiti to be catching papa you are being silly. And he's right. You are being silly means you are silly. Ye wo memo nkofo this guy to maker. By and it so aba and it so say sebe me no ye be sorry ni ato aba machada ni etimi ede ye future na akwa anim. It's time ma ye make sure say we are taking the bull by the horns. We are moving Ghana forward. We the youth, we can't stay back. We need to move forward. Ye remember enkukura de bi so akukura di so ebe den na wakwa anim. Those times na ye ka say enkukura na wonyansa na twamo and then mrantie so wonyansa and mrantie no we are ambitious. We want to make Ghana work. All the political parties are what promising because someone see a Jimmy promising I'll do this I say me man me promise me can't just describe a show bottom because sabe pe wodachi ye na wotini enti aye na I don't need to coerce you and yes me dada by your politicians MPP and so more dada ye oma we say twice I say me man first come me proper name I have a vision but you see what makes me unique and I want you to learn from me is that I'm a Ghanaian enti me din na tina odi me hwama no me nkasa me MPP so I'll stay there. I won't do that. Me Jimmy for what friend me I'll move to where I think I'll have hope. And now me jai adia me ken chada me oma me sika me name me po but I believe in his ideas. I don't need money to do work for Ghana. I need to speak so that Ghana will grow again. Baba Xposed GH, but your family members, so subscribe no be so nyabi. It's still child's time. That's all it says because Ghana, we need to move it forward. We need to move it beyond the realms of where we are now because baby ebogos. It doesn't make sense. Now you share the youth policy of Chada and the Hona Meba. Video be a minya ya na all come about the youth. Hopelessness. Inti ye nim ni aye po ene Obiko school or Nim school cry I mean the country is in a state of hopelessness. Now or my what hope. Pastor could see video by about my bomb adventure. Young cobra.
Nyemfa enkra de ne nhyase. Ubehwa enkra mu okrom ha. Ye di omabro. Mabunu. Empanyifo. Abro ene ye di omu. Omunyini no, omahu se hope bia ni ho. Enidaso ni ho. Adwuma ni ho omko university na omu wi a omawie no na government enhyehyɛ bibia nto ho ma omko banka student loan ni ho ekro no yenhyehyɛ bibia ma omo nti so okase wokɔ a uni tumi bia wo de be stop no because wo hu bibi fufura e bia eye ma no nti no okɔ na no so no 5% pe na otimi kɔ 95% no e bia yen hu ne sɛ omu hia nkranhye yenhu ne se omu hia enidaso na mehwe ma bebre ehu na ahye omuma enti media adekwan a mefa so a me de besesa enkra na dwene emabunu na dwene eye hope because bebre ni hope omu ni enidaso omu ni obi a okasa ma omo omu ni obi a ne voice ekọ akire a chese ochina bi no 70 eyebetimi aka se enkura no nso say no mo pe nti maba no eku ameti no new force eye mabunu ene ma omu okrom ha ene yeti omu bubom sa eba ne bedu numere bi no mo ba be hu se omu ne etumi ni kura omu
aso agoti aba ye fa bibi enidaso ewiase oni enidaso ano asam ye mobbo ene ye o memu a the youth has no say. We don't have a say. Yeni kasamafo. The reason why people are following each other here and there is because they've seen vision in him. vision about what he can do. Na ye wo memo sebe akola kasa ye shut up. Ye customs and tradition kwa e bogus e phone. Ye wo memo penny e Jimmy kra na ye hwe ni din because we know say penny is always right. Kwa boche kwa ye akola kitikiti to be catch papa, you are being silly. And he's right. You are being silly means you are silly. Ye wo memo ko for this guy to make her. By ne and it aswaba. And it aswa say sabe me no ye be sorry ni ato aba machada. Ni etimi edi ye future na akwa anim. It's time you make sure say we are taking the bull by the horns. We are moving Ghana forward. We the youth, we can't stay back. We need to move forward. Ye o mema enkukura de bi yeso akukura di so ebeden na wakwa anim. Those times na ne ka se enkukura na wonyansa na twamo. And then mrantie so wonyansa. And mrantie we are ambitious. We want to make Ghana work. Akukura no wa body bra bia he ne man nyina awie de. He's not ambitious. Oni we bia ye. Na busia nkwa na odwe because wa body bra si. Me a me baba brand me wodache. Dache ne se mepre ama me ma. It's the youth of today. Some more per position and then more starting per positions. We need to rise up. Yentiment nase. Na de biya ye ni o machi chobo fa. Makokra ne ntrefi na ye ruling mind no. Ne entro mo say we are the next generation. Nancy wa Chada build the city of hope. City ya all building no. Me hu ye na me wa hye me. Yango he video nbra na hu say enye sebe kasa na oka. Oye obi otimi ye yankomra.
Na petrochemical industry a opeso ye no eye dabe na obewie dabe na ofiase.
Enya de a wo ye a wo beka se wo be ye awie city de wusi a eno ane se ekọ mabunu ba ko a menya sa vision no early na me kodi 30 ena me sha se me tuton ensase no 65 families na me de bomu 11 subdivisional chiefs and 1 divisional chief and the whole commission. That is how I did the acquisition.
You want to build a city?
It's already been started. I mean, I've been doing it. I've done the basic.
How many years in here?
Oh, I've owned it for 12 years.
12 years and now we
now we'll find a way city. Now we'll find a way city. Nya dia. Obekwa kase. Uwo sika te send ya mediasi hotel na si baby debi basic infrastructure keke ekwan ne ICT ni normal obey ye ni nyina millions of dollars until say ye betimi anya economic boom and the right partnership na opese wo ye normal say ya kwame ukoba bia wa brochire ukaso mo finance omumfi ya buy no mo kan okra ni nkyere yen western world no mpese ye be industrialization da omum pese beba together be use yankasa materials and resources was asase so na yankasa manufacture na yetimi aton amomu omum pese omum twe no raw enti wokwa wo ye den enti mia me kakra ena da mani so sa me vision minim say debi nyame beboa me yesi wie nso a it's not millions of dollars, it's billions of dollars
obenyes kan way
and I say kakra si kan de me ba na me nkura bi. And so kakra metimi asibi metimi ayebi enya de a esese adwene se esese enya sika nyina ansa ne yetimi ayebi
Chada nia wankasa opese wo ye no unye nwie then I chase obitimi ay Ghana de
now say sha ase no na me free semintimi nya anasa nkofo free semintimi nya enso ene mayemu a di ma ba beduru animu ama ebia ne tinse me no kasa ekura no timi hu se na me ye me business na me wo me sika na me ye me say se be sha ase na bibia ni ho eni si adwene se sika no entimi mba anase entimi nye na wo hwe kwa me nkroma kra OCBB ti se Volta Lake which is one of the biggest man-made lakes in the world no ni sika no but with negotiations and partnership otimi si ye ti no man bebre wo ha Ghana ha yenye na free negotiations yenye and a partnership na se kase
but Chada why would you know negotiations and partnerships untimi we will city after 12 years
but I didn't have to give it 12 years to finish Kwame say me to sit me to land nekeke no it took me 3.5 years to put 65 families together 65 11 subdivisional chiefs 1 divisional chief and the entire commission Kwame eyabotre any year for acquisition. But now me sure about land policy. Now land policy now me sure about no here chance can kasa ikura me say me de koto asase no because wo hwema me say tu sika ne kakra tama ye di omu nyina bubom nyina na ye commitment na ye nsa kakra ye me de to asase no me to wie no na say me fa architects 12 different ones ebi wo Ghana ebi wo Portugal ebi wo Italy me di omu nyina bom and I'm a fine engineers and some of my BBA friend who say city plan. Now me city plan we no na as I say me EPA na me tua crop compensation nti na crops e was asase so nyina no as I say me more compensation just say o ka say wo city a enya ade a it is a project na me we no mo ma me grade of the city plan no na as I say me sha say me two gutters na me the wires cables near the ade and water pipes far down
city be funny pa here.
Oh, it can go up to maybe 35,000 inhabitants on the 2,000 acre. But city the unya sha say a betima kosa kofa million. Say biana Sharjah e Dubai. Omo share Dubai ase no na Sharjah so che Dubai. Omo andwene ho sa, omo andwene da say Dubai ankasa ne ba ye kuro no. Nti Ghana ha kra yete no, yenim say de bi baby a capital pa nipa person be too kwan every abroche ni America abaho because waterfalls ni investment ni hotels ni energy city ni no manoma nyina you nim yet because you call through a phase of a scalable development.
O city no be friend day.
It's already called Petronia City.
Petronia City. In the long term. Da ben of we say you betimi hu you bring back tangibles. Say be a why we be 5 years, 10 years, or a long time. Maybe you be who say at the end if a peja.
Oh, a peja na mankase me ba have a catch exactly 5 years or 10 years maybe.
But projection wise.
Oh, projection say a idea Ghana economy nisha say boomina say e wosikane investment. We can use between 5 to 10 years to create at least maybe 15 to 20 plants in that area. Now, the reason why I'm choosing Petronia and I'm choosing Takrado, and I'm explaining shop.
But you
Ghana has say, as I say, you value a chrono by your resources. In Tusha Takradia, a 520 miles square. Now, Nipan so in the western region, almost they're almost 800 and something thousand. But nipa no mu no name a mileage square na or ewo ho no say would compare resources na ewo ho na ewo is one of the richest if not the richest region on the continent enya Ghana pe because ewo in the only region omo 11 different resources concentrated in one area until hwa takrade cocoa nyina most ewo ho gold most ewo ho oil and gas rubber bauxite manganese aso sa na sa no meya ye kan nyina no international people are coming to invest in Ghana. Uhwe ENI they are investing billions in Ghana for our oil. There are a lot of companies on water cradi omu invest Ashanti goldfield omu nyina wo ho enti me who potential no da say aha and baba ye the Houston of Ghana aha say and baba ye the center the hub for West Africa. You see right next to the coast. Enti nia ye be ye free hobia ye manufacture bia na ye betimi a boxing ye to
also Takrady how many miles square?
500 and something miles square. But
what I have here is 74.132.
71. No, I'm talking about western region. Sorry.
Oh, western.
When I say Takrady, I'm trying to say western.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, me too.
So I'm just saying, sir, the point that I'm making is that the potential of us becoming one of the strongest exporters of our own refined and manufactured resources, no, the point of place to do it is the western region. Next coast. On our right is Ivory Coast. On our left is Togo, Cotonou, Nigeria. Ebeko round is Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Ababesi, Senegal, and San Ababesi Takrady BM, Ivory Coast. And if we don't use this place to control West Africa's economy, then we're making a huge mistake. But I am ready to do it, and the reason why I'm Misi Petroniano is one of the main reasons to create the first industrial hub that will represent like a Houston or Texas of Africa.
So, Marshall, was hey, Mr. McCram, Salam Cam, hey. You see, se obi wo vision sa nipa na se osuro no obi wo se daachi ebesi mi yie sa nipa na se osuro no obi asabe ne vision wetimi actualize e ka say actualizer wetimi di aba be say this is the vision or say me say city of energy. What is energy? Energy na a driving yen, a real electricity, whatever. Before this country can move, we need energy. Without energy, we can't move. You need energy. It will be difficult for Ghana to move forward. Yeah, energy, and it also needs to be cheaper. Also, will be mass production. The more you produce, the more the cost of production comes down. Until the price will also come down. Right now, we are producing, but the prices is high because we are not in charge of production. You produce, but you produce. It's time to make the Ghanaian the center of Ghana. Make China, when they were about to industrialize, using Chinese shoe, Chinese cameras, the multi-million is in your boom no. That are kuka near Kurano. And will be China making sure so Obia Shebi. And then almost you to know Chinese tunic. And also from president to the liberal no Obia Shebi. Because no more plans say we need to industrialize. But how do you achieve this? It's making sure say the Ghanaian man or the Ghanaian believes in him or herself, say, I can do it. I'm also somebody. Until you be na you be jai say ya yeshu wa Ghana ya try made in Italy in kwasem made in Italy na ya dey. Why you try more Ghana what you made in Italy? You are not even proud of yourself. Until you be proud you can say this is Ghana made and I'm proud to buy it, you know. We'll go forward. Also some no can no it's about Ghana. Say the things can be done here. On case of kofa brafu bia bo. Because investors na here pre no omo yom ma yie investor bia bob my way o wia sika no otweko ni kurom. So at the end of the day no you are still what a loser. But again ni ya sika ni tena ye memu. So what I say until we need to make the Ghanaian the center of what the Ghanaian economy. Ya nya sadia ye be die dokonkwa me be say osankwa the third video ni ya ba message chechem.
Me promise you say me ba no me ba ma usika me ba be si dan ma me ba be yesi yes ana metie but ade ba kon so am pese me ka kire onu say I have a purpose no na eno so na yinyina tisi yedi na yetimi etwa ekwan a echie no enso aye straight enimu no so aye straight yes ba bia chia na ba bia aye straight na me twa no mimi una ugina nchen a hu ne ye wo machi ti una sesa o direct me so what ya say manim so no me na me de woko na wo mso unya obi a wo ye odikanfo a enkire se ni obeka na ye final there be this is something a Ghana my mu na sese sesa no
so go ahead time where election year all the political parties are what promising because someone will see a Jimmy a promising I'll do this or say me man me promise it me can't just discover be show bottom because sabe me pewoda chi ye na what ni enti aye na I don't need to coerce you and yes me dada by your politicians MPP and so more dada ye oma hu say twice or say me mam first come me proper name I have a vision. And then your mama na more promise it. You about me na more promising a lot of bands over to me yet. Because what they are saying, they don't even have idea of what they are saying. It's all fallacy. Yeah, Petronia to N.K.B na Ghana ni Jimmy ento a dream. And yes, sir, some of them cannot. Many would learn him said they are lying. They can't do it. What didn't President Akufo-Addo say? Ebi amundi minti ya memi ye MPP ni mapa. I was the front for campaigning for Yehu Akufo-Addo. But you see, what makes me unique, and I want you to learn from me. is that I'm a Ghanaian. Enti me di na chi na odi me hwama no me nka se me MPP ni so I'll stay there. I won't do that. Me ye Jimmy for. What friendly me I'll move to where I think I'll have hope. And now me jira he ade me kan chada me oma me sika. Me name me po. But I believe in his ideas. I don't need money to do work for Ghana. I need to speak so that Ghana will grow again. Into what hear me, Pacho. Take up your cross and follow me. We are all going. Yekotu abana machada. So opo man yedia is chada style. Don't make mistake. Uduwa to abana machada. Because near promises no me de mano. Fact. They are lying. Unim so mu chanto. Because since 1992, besides MPP NDC, what have they been able to do for Ghana? Nothing. But Chada, or say it's possible. They be ameka say, yenya selfless leader. Within 4 years, Ghana will rise again. Yenya leader onye in the family home, onye sabe meme home, onye even a party home, no doing Ghana one. Ghana will move forward. Into Menewo, as a time, yeah, the youth. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Say no, you and push this country forward. That you bear mobile. I expose GHFM members. Subscribe, subscribe. You the two pet now, Saka. Manuel, bye bye.